Now, which of the following statements is correct in this particular context? That Dadabhai Naoroji's poverty and un-British rule in India laid the foundation of the drain theory. Okay, laid the foundation of the drain theory, highlighting economic exploitations under the colonial rule. And statement 2 is that Dadabhai Naoroji believed that British rule was beneficial for the industrial development and wealth creation. So which one do you think is generally correct? Which one do you think is generally correct here? Okay. Now, with respect to the above statements, so we know that Dadabhai Naoroji's poverty and un-British rule in India laid the foundation for the drain theory, highlighting economic exploitation under colonial rule. Yes, we know that. Okay. However, Dadabhai Naoroji believed that British rule was beneficial for India's industrial development and wealth creation. Okay. So here, this particular thing, okay, is contradictory to statement 1. Okay, in the first statement he's criticizing the Britishers, in the second statement he's telling the importance of the Britishers. Obviously not, it is not going to be there. Okay, so that is why the second statement is incorrect. The second statement is incorrect. Alright, so answer is statement 1 is only correct. So statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct? No. Statement 1, statement 2 both are correct? No. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is not correct? True. Okay, so the answer is C. The answer is C.